my beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Now today's video, this particular method that I'm going to be showing you, it's not going to fail you, okay? It's going to help you so much in getting rid of all of those belly fats, melting away those fats, and then you are going to be looking flawlessly beautiful. So if you want to know what the ingredients are, continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let's dive into the video. To remove belly fat and have a slim shaped body, guys, you're going to be needing some oranges, because oranges contain vitamin C, so it's going to work, it's going to make you look really glowing, and your skin is going to get lighter, and your stomach is going to get flatter when you follow the rules. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is that we're going to cut the orange. Alright, so we're gonna be squeezing in the oranges, and yeah, I'm gonna be sieving it out. So this is the amount of orange I've been able to get, which is very perfect. And the next ingredient we're going to be needing is going to be apple cider vinegar. Now apple cider vinegar is loaded with some raw unfiltered mother in it. It helps to remove belly fat, wash down all stubborn fat, and it cleanses the colon. So you're going to shake it this way, and then you're going to take just 1 cup of it into a glass cup, and that is perfect. And then also we're going to be needing turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder is great for belly fat reduction. It's also great in reducing or removing your weight. Now using turmeric powder or taking it as a tea every morning would help you to slim down really well. So for the turmeric powder, you're going to be taking just a pinch of that. You can see what I took, just a pinch of turmeric powder. It's going to be okay. A pinch of it in 1 glass cup. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing is going to be ginger. Now ginger is loaded with some anti-aging remedy that works wonders for the skin, and it's also good for the body. So it helps for nauseousness, cold, flu and catarrh, and it's also helping removing or reducing belly fat. You're going to scrape it this way. Alright, so for the ginger, we would have to be grating it, okay, for this particular remedy, or you can as well blend it. So for the ginger, we would have to be putting in just a little bit of water, and then we'll be needing the ginger juice. So I'm actually going to be turning it this way so we can get a little bit of the ginger juice. So now we'll have to be turning this into the cup and sieving that in. Okay guys, so for this you can use either water or you can use orange to just replace the water, okay? But it has to be 1 glass cup for the turmeric powder, okay? So this is basically what you'll be needing to lose all of your belly fat, and this is actually going to be perfect. Now for this guys, you can actually take this in the morning and you take it again in the evening, and it's going to be very helpful for you, okay? It's going to help you to remove all of those belly fat, but you would have to be consistent in taking this, and also you have to do away with some fatty food, some soda, and some carbohydrates food, okay? Now you can take carbohydrate but not in a large quantity. Let me have a take of this and tell you how it does taste. Okay guys, so this actually tastes a little sour because of the apple cider vinegar. Obviously apple cider vinegar naturally tastes sour, but because of the help of the orange, it tastes good. And yeah, not really bad at all. It's perfect for your fat reduction, okay? So take this as much as you can and your belly fat will be gone, guys. So that's it guys, it's as simple as that. Take that as I've earlier instructed in the video and you are going to be seeing a whole lot of improvements. Now also note that it is natural, okay? So you have to be consistent and give it a little time to work out. You know, do away with soda, do away with carbohydrates, sugary things, and too much of cold stuff, and you are going to be achieving all of your results. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching the video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.